Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jonathan Johnson of Jonatech Computer Services, and today's tutorial DVD will be discussing computer basics. In this DVD you'll learn what a computer actually is, what an operating system is, the parts and components of a computer, how to set up a computer system, and much more. So let's go ahead and jump into the meat and potatoes of what we have here today. So let's ask the first vital question. What actually is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process that data. You can use a computer to type documents, send emails, even surf the internet. You can also use a computer to handle spreadsheets, accounting, database management, presentations, games, and a plethora of other activities. Whether you realize it or not, computers play a vital role in our everyday lives. Whether you're withdrawing cash from an ATM, or whether you're scanning groceries at your local grocery store, or even using a calculator, you're always using a computer in some way or another. Now let's talk about the software-hardware relationship. For people who are just using computers, all computers basically have two basic parts. One part being hardware, the other part being software. Hardware is any part of your computer that has a physical structure, such as maybe the computer monitor, the tower itself, or the keyboard. If you can touch it, it's hardware. Software is any set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. It's what guides the hardware and tells it how to accomplish every task. Anything you buy for your computer can be classified as either hardware or software. Once you learn more about these items, computers are actually pretty straightforward and easy to understand. Let's talk about the different types of computers, desktops and laptops. Now there are many types of computers, but personal computers such as desktops are often referred to as home computers or school computers, even in the library. They can be small or medium, large in style sometimes, and usually sit on a desk. The term desktop actually refers to the casing or the actual tower. Once you add a monitor, mouse, and a keyboard, you'll have what's typically known as a desktop computer. Most desktop computers are pretty easy to upgrade and easy to expand or add new parts to. In addition to scalability, another benefits of desktop computers are their cost. If you were to compare a desktop with maybe 128 megabytes of RAM and a 2 gig hard drive to the laptop with the same features, you would find most likely that the desktop computer would be priced lower. Now, the term desktop actually originates from the computer case being wide and flat, and was originally designed to specifically fit on your desktop with the monitor on top of it. Now, apart from the desktop, you have the laptop, the second type of computer that most of us are familiar with. Laptops are often referred to as notebooks as well. Laptops typically are able to run on battery or AC power, same as personal computers. However, they can also be easily carried and used in a variety of locations. If we were to take a quick glance at the size of a laptop, as you might guess, it would be difficult to expand or maybe upgrade a machine like that. While the desktop computer case is relatively easy to open, the access internal components, the small laptop cases make it a little more difficult in comparison. However, the primary benefit of the laptop, again, is its small size and easy portability. Now let's talk about the two most popular type of computers. The two most popular types of personal computers are the IBM compatible systems and the Macintosh computers. The first personal computer was introduced by IBM in 1981. It was called the IBM PC. However, in 1984, Apple Computer introduced the Macintosh, or as we know it today as the Mac, and it became the first widely sold personal computer with a graphical user interface, or GUI. Although both IBM and Apple computers are personal computers, the term PC came to refer to the IBM or IBM compatible personal computers. Today, Apple produces a Macintosh computer called the iMac, which is a desktop computer that features all-in-one designs. This means that all the internal components are located behind the monitor, rather than in a tower case with the IBM compatible computers. While in our training in this video, is intended for people who actually use PCs and the Windows operating system, some of our information also applies to the Macintosh computers. Other computers that aren't seen here actually include systems that we may hear of and actually may be familiar with, whether it's at work or even in a library setting. Some of these computers you may hear referred to as workstations or servers, especially at work. You may wonder how some of these items differ. Workstations are similar to desktop computers, but are typically more powerful and usually connected to a network, while servers are specialized computers that store and deliver or I guess you could say serve up information to other computers on a network. There are many different types of servers, such as file servers, database servers, and web servers. For example, employees at a company might store all their business documents on a file server so that they can share files and maybe access them over from another computer or anywhere on their network. When you use a browser to click on a link, a web server delivers the page that's requested on the internet. We've reached the end of a "What is a computer" portion of our DVD tutorial. We'd like you to walk away thinking about the activities that you perform every day that utilize a computer. Most people don't think about how computers are used to control the stoplights as they drive to work, or how the cashier at the grocery store scans and calculates your grocery items, or even maybe your favorite job or a coffee house uses computers to control their inventory, or how your local department store manages their merchandise utilizing computers.